Okay, friend, in part one, I promised I was going to show you what I actually do to build my online business in about 2 focused hours a day. So let's do it because making money online sounds great. But what the heck are you actually doing? I'm going to show you. And if you're sitting there thinking, I'm over 50, I'm not techie, I don't know how to do any of this stuff, don't decide you can't do it until you see what the work actually looks like. Remember our simple picture from part one, which was this. Let me get my whiteboard again. It was this: content, making the videos, right? To system, to customer. Yesterday, that's what we talked about. Okay. So today, I'm actually going to show you. We're going to talk about this first piece right here: content. Okay. Now, you don't have to be good at this on day one. You just have to be willing to learn. And I'm going to show you what that 2 hours looks like on one social media platform. Okay. So this is it. So, first hour, 3 pieces of content. Okay. Now, I am not talking about long form content. I'm talking about short form content. This is how I started: 7 seconds, 30 seconds, and 1 minute. Short pieces of content. Okay. So, and then the next half hour is what we call post free ads. What is that? Old school classified section in the newspaper. It's the same idea, except for we're taking it online. Okay. And then the last half hour, I'm running out of room, is respond to comments or emails. Okay. That's it. This is what we focus on. I don't know if you were thinking this was going to be some like crazy thing, and I lost the lid. Crazy thing, but you can screenshot this. Now, I'm actually going to give you an example of this 7 second and a 1 minute. Okay. So let's do that. Let me grab my little phone here, lightweight old phone, and I'm going to show you what a 7 second looks like. Usually I have a mug around here, but I do not have a coffee mug. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to grab my water bottle. Okay. I know it's crazy, but this is a 7 second video. So I'd literally press record. I might move around a little bit so there's some movement. I might like bring this up or something just so there's some movement going on. That's it. I'm not talking in this video. I am just bringing some action. Walk your dog. Go check the mail. Walk down the street. Wipe a table off. You get the gist of this, right? We're talking a 7 second video, not rocket science. Now, the other part of it would be this. Now, a 30 seconds going to be like talking, not very long, but I am not very good at that. So let's do 1 minute. Okay. No degree, no experience, no problem. When I started this back in 2024, I had no idea what this was, didn't know if I could do this, but here I am 2 years later. I make 100% profit on numbers like this: 900 and 1400. I do this in the pockets of my day around my children as a busy homeschooling mom who used to DoorDash. I'm not bugging family, not bugging friends. No, it's not an MLM. It's 100% profit. Okay. It's my business. Now, I love what I do. I love who it's for. If you want to get the details on this, you can drop me a yeehaw and I'll let you know how to get the blueprint. The blueprint's free. Have a look at it. See if it's a fit for you. That's what I do. Short pieces of content. Okay. Now, I obviously do longer ones now, but I just started doing this like, I think the first time was maybe mid 2025. I've been doing this for 2 years. Okay. Mid 2025 is probably where the first, I'm guessing, times that I actually started to go and do a little bit longer because I've been on a journey and I've been learning as well. And I teach and I coach and I mentor inside of my community, but we're not going to talk about that on this. So those are the short little pieces of like content. Now, I want you to think about your life, okay? Maybe you're working right now and the last thing you want is another job when you get home. Maybe you're getting close to retirement and you'd like another stream of income, but you don't want to trade another 40 hours a week for it. Maybe you want more time with your kids or your grandkids. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you just want to wake up and have more control over what your day looks like. That's one of my favorites. That's why learning to build a business this way mattered to me. I wasn't looking for another job. I needed a different way to make money and to do it from home. Now, I know somebody watching this is thinking, that's fine for you, Paula. I'm not techie. Friend, I didn't start like knowing how to do this either. You don't need to know how to do everything. You just need to be willing to learn the things your business needs. Like, can you hit record? Can you learn how to hit record? Can you learn how to put words on a video? Like, are you willing to learn? It's one piece at a time. You don't need thousands of followers. You don't need a marketing degree, and you just need to be willing to learn at the end of the day. So what happens when someone is interested? Now, here's where this gets really important. Remember this, okay? Content system. Wait, can you see content system customer system? This was life changing to me. Okay. We just covered the content, but what happens when somebody sees my video and says, okay, Paula, I'm interested. Tell me more. Do I have to stop what I'm doing and personally explain the entire business to them? No, thank goodness. Do I have to chase them around in their DMs? No. Do I have to sit on the phone with them? No. That's where this piece comes in, that system, okay? My automated system. And that's what I'm going to show you in part 3. I'm going to show you what happens after somebody gets interested, where I send them, and how they get the information, and how my system can continue working even when I'm doing something else, because that is a huge part of how I've been able to build this around my life. Go watch part 3 and how automation works. I'll show you exactly what happens next. I will see you there.